Have you ever felt like you were being overlooked or taken for granted? Do you struggle to earn the respect of others? If so, then you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to share a Zen master story that reveals the secrets to earning respect. This story is simple, but it is powerful. If you follow the advice in this story, you will start to see a big difference in the way that people treat you. So, if you're ready to learn how to earn the respect that you deserve, then watch this video until the end. You won't be disappointed. Now play the video. Once upon a time, there was a young man named Hiro who was struggling to earn the respect of others. He was kind and hardworking, but he always felt like he was being overlooked and taken for granted. One day, Hiro decided to visit a Zen master for guidance. He told the master about his struggles, and the master listened patiently. When Hiro was finished, the master said, "The secret to earning respect is simple. Just leave these 6 habits behind. Habit number 1, stop lying. Honesty is the foundation of trust, and trust is essential for respect. When you lie, even about small things, you erode the trust that others have in you. Habit 2, don't tolerate your insult. It is important to stand up for yourself and to refuse to be treated with disrespect. When you tolerate insults, you're telling the other person that their behavior is acceptable. Habit 3, don't always say yes to everyone. It is okay to say no to people, especially when you are already feeling overwhelmed or overworked. When you say yes to everything, you are sending the message that you are not valuable and that your time is not important. Habit 4, don't reply to everyone quickly. Taking your time to respond to messages and emails shows that you are thoughtful and that you value the other person's time. When you reply to everyone immediately, you are conveying the message that you are not busy or important. Habit 5, don't always be available. It is important to have a life outside of work and to set boundaries with your time. When you are always available, you are sending the message that you have no other commitments and that you are not valuable. Habit 6, be as busy as possible. People respect those who are in demand. When you are busy, it shows that you are valuable and that your time is important. Hiro took the Zen master's advice to heart, and he began to make changes in his life. He stopped lying. He stood up for himself. He learned to say no. He took his time to respond to messages. He set boundaries with his time, and he made himself busy with things that he was passionate about. Over time, Hiro noticed a big difference in the way that people treated him. He started to receive more respect from his colleagues, his friends, and his family. He even started to get promoted at work. Moral of the story is, the secret to earning respect is to be honest, to stand up for yourself, to set boundaries, and to be valuable. When you do these things, people will naturally respect you. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey with Hiro and the Zen Master. Remember, the path to earning respect lies within these 6 habits. Embrace honesty, self-assertion, and self-value, and you'll find the respect you deserve. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this story inspiring, and subscribe to our channel for more wisdom and tales that can transform your life. Share this video with your friends and family, because everyone deserves to learn the secret to earning respect. Your support fuels our mission of spreading knowledge and inspiration. So take action today, and let's all start living our best lives.